Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths World. If you are in class 9 and looking for an easy and fun way to understand maths concept and solutions, then you are in the right place. Maths can be tricky sometimes, but don't worry, I'll be guiding you through every chapter by breaking down each concept step by step and solving each sums in the simplest way as possible. From your book questions to extra practice questions, I will make sure that you not only understand but also enjoy maths. And the best part is that it is completely free. All you have to do is subscribe and stay connected. If you have any problem, drop your comment and I'll help you out. So let's make maths easy and fun together. Hit the subscribe button and like the video, and let's get started to an amazing journey. See you in the first lesson.